Hey everybody, my name is Craig. I'm trying to give a little instructional video here how to weld a bike rack. It's great, a bike rack, great home project for you. Now here we're gonna go over the items necessary, tools and items necessary. First off, we got the welder. We got an Everlast 140 amp max. You can get a smaller one or a cheaper one. That was about 200 bucks. Then here we got some hand tools. We got a square and a level, or you can use a level square, whatever you got. It's the baby clamps, marking tools, keel or soapstone or thin marker, whatever you got. These are welding rods. These are for mild steel. They're 16 inch in diameter. You weld them from 20 to 45 amps. Very good. You don't want to go too big, so you melt through the metal. Welding gloves. Baby sledgehammer or beater. Metal brush. Chipping hammer. Got clamps here. You can use smaller clamps. It's up to you. That's just what I had available. Here's a tape measure. You want a thin tape measure. It's better for marking. Safety glasses. Very important item here. You don't want to get a metal splinter in your eye. Could make you blind. You got a grinder with a cutting wheel on it. Welding helmet. Very important. You don't want to be blind. Degreaser for cleaning the surface of the metal prior to welding. And then you got your steel. Now I pre-cut this. I decided to make a video afterwards, so bear with me. Now what I did, the metal you'll need is you're going to need 15 foot of 1.25 inch square tube. That's this stuff right here. And you're also going to need 30 feet of 1/2 inch square tube right here. I cut it already, so I can't show you that, but I can tell you what I cut it to. I cut 10